Did the 1830 typesetter replace Amulek's original wording? Alma 10.5 illustrates a textual change that appears to have originated in the print shop rather than with Joseph Smith's dictated text. As the passage begins, Joseph used the phrase "his mysteries and marvelous power," but later in the same verse he dictated "his mysteries and his miraculous power," creating a deliberate variation that distinguished the two expressions. The typesetter apparently chose to standardize the wording, replacing miraculous with marvelous, so that both phrases matched, even though there is no known evidence that this alteration was formally authorized by Joseph Smith. The RLDS Church restored the original manuscript reading in 1908, whereas the LDS Church continues to publish the printer's revision, leaving an identifiable departure from the earliest recoverable text.